First tapping riff of the day, you are concentrating on moving the left hand. And then the next one, you're going to have a pattern of, after you start, you're going to go right hand moves, left hand moves. Right hand moves, left hand moves. So it keeps switching what hand moves, going from one bar to the next. To the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 1. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 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 all right. Solo now. Okay. I'm going to play these in phrases. So, the first bit we have. That's the first bit. So that takes us to the first note of the second bar of the solo. And now slowly, the next part is. Break that down further. And then we have, you'll need to roll your index finger going from the B string to the G string. So, taking it from the 19th fret on the B string, which is the second note of the second bar of the first guitar solo. I think more up to speed, it sounds something like. And then the bend part, it sounds like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, da da da. Well, actually, the timing there would be 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and. Then we have, slowly, a little faster, and then the 12-14 at the end there is the start of this phrase. I'm going to play that slow now. So the bend part is you're going to go so da 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 dum. You're going to have to jump into that hammer on right away. So that's on the D string. And then after that 14, so I'm going to take it from the D note. So that really tiny bar only has the 14 and the 12. So we got that's how that whole part goes. So, boom. I'm actually going to start it where it's just 12 on the G string. So we have so the next part, pretty simple, just bum bum bum, and then we have this. So it kind of fluctuates on how the timing goes here. So the 9-10 to start. So you just did this part. I'm gonna do that real slow. Takes you to the very end of the solo. So let's see, you got 1, 2, 3. So fourth line down, I'm starting on the last two notes of that first bar. If you see it says 113, that means it's bar or measure 113. It's at the very top left of the fourth line on the page. So that's where I'm starting, the 9-10 at the very end. Those last two notes. Now when I go to these 12s, the recording, it does sound like he is letting them both ring out. That is what it sounds like on the recording. So when you get to the 12 on the B string, do that with your index finger, bar it, so you can hit the G note that way. So take it from the same place. And then the last bar we have doesn't really matter where you slide up from to go into the 19, but 12 seems like a good place if you want to have a target to start with. Just practice getting up to that one point. It's a pretty big slide, actually. Makes it slightly challenging to get up to that right place. Alright, so let me try it more up to speed on the very end there. Let's see. Something like that. Alright, so let's see if I can play the whole thing. I'm going to take it fairly slow because I don't know it well enough to play it full speed. But you will! And then you can come in and outplay me on Master of Puppets. How about that? Alright, so slowly through the whole thing now. So it should sound something like that, just a bit faster once you get the hang of it all. Alright, so I will see you in 2 weeks. So that will be Wednesday the 24th. We'll be back. So Wednesday the 24th is when I will see you again. Alright, best of luck to you. We'll see you when I get back.